Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with a new number on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to quickly start a conversation with someone who's not in your contacts, this new feature makes it super easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the official WhatsApp website and download it. Once you've got it open and you're logged in, we can get started. Next, look at the top of the app window. You'll see a small icon that looks like a speech bubble with a pencil inside. This is the new chat icon. Click on it to open your contact list. Now, in the bottom right corner of the new chat window, you'll see a phone number icon. Click on that icon, and it will open a field where you can enter the phone number of the person you want to message. Go ahead and type in the phone number, including the country code, just as you would when adding a new contact to your phone. Once you've entered the number, press *Enter, and WhatsApp will automatically open a chat with that person. And that's it. You're now ready to start chatting with the new number. It's a super simple way to reach out to anyone, even if they're not yet in your contact list. This new feature is perfect for those times when you need to message someone quickly, but don't want to go through the hassle of adding them as a contact first. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.